What's up, everybody? This is Kendall, and we are here at 8:09 in the PM on a Saturday, and it is day 20 of 100 Days of Codes. And not only that, we are at the end of week 3 of School of Codes. So we are very happy. It's been a week of accomplishments, a week of pure bliss, and a week of a lot of fun and collaboration. Um, so first and foremost, let's talk about the rules of 100 Days of Codes. So for those of you who don't know, I've committed to doing 100 Days of Codes. That means every day, no matter what, come rain, sun, winter, snow, tornadoes, doesn't matter what happens. We are coding, my friends. We are coding. Coding no matter what. Doesn't matter. Whether our kids get sick or whatever happens, we're going to be there coding. Our computer's going to be out and we're going to be coding away on something. It doesn't matter. If our dinner burns, coding. If baby's crying and has a poopy and nappy, we're coding. Might take a little break and, give them a change or, make sure that the house doesn't burn down, but we're going to be coding for 1 hour a day at least every single day. So, what are the rules of 100 Days of Codes? Well, the rules are, number 1, you code 1 hour a day. Number 2, you keep yourself accountable publicly, and that's what I'm doing here. Did I want to do videos? Heck no. But did I do videos anyways? Yes. Because I want everybody to see my lovely face, and I wanted to put myself on the spot. I didn't want to do text because text is too easy for me. I wanted to put myself in a really uncomfortable place and just step out and do it. So that's what I'm doing. Put myself in an uncomfortable place and, leaning into my edge. What's the next thing? Connect with the community of Twitter. That's rule number 3. Rule number 4 is keep a daily log, which I've been doing for you guys for the last 20 days. This is day number 20. So we're keeping a daily log of our emotions and our feelings. So here we are, doing it again on day 20, being consistent. And they say it takes 21 days to create a habit. Well, I'm almost there. Tomorrow is day 21. And I already feel in the flow of things. So I feel thankful that I've been able to maintain this process no matter what. Come every situation, we've been able to stay consistent. So I'm very thankful for that. So, what did we get up to today? Well, my friends, we had recap tasks to do, weekend recap tasks. So at School of Codes, the most amazing boot camp in the world. The most amazing boot camp in the universe. The most amazing boot camp in the multiverse. In the metaverse? Anyways, the best boot camp ever. So what we've been doing is every weekend we're giving recap tasks to make sure that we sort of stay on top of things, that we don't lose our edge. We don't, just forget everything and it just gets knocked out of our head, we eat too much pizza and just forget it all or something, I don't know. But anyways, here we are, recap tasks. So, this weekend what we had to do is we had to sort of consolidate all of our information together. So we had to take user personas, we had to take wireframes, we had to take user stories, and put them all together. And we had to use that fuel and use that fire to create ourselves our own sort of personal CV site or personal sites for somebody who is a potential hirer or a potential employer. And so that has required us doing the exact same thing, sort of doing a research on sort of what are the user personas of the people that are going to be looking for us, looking for those that are graduating from this boot camp, or looking for a junior developer, or whatever it is or junior UI UX, whatever we're looking to get into. Sort of the exact same process. So for me, I actually found I found a post via LinkedIn, a really good one from somebody who had employed junior developers and people from boot camps, and they gave some really good feedback on sort of what they were looking for, their fears, their frustrations, their goals, their objectives. And so that gave me some really valuable real world data to be able to create a user persona, to create sort of a user journey these sort of things, and to be able to make that happen. So that was incredibly helpful to have happen. And so I found that real world data, did my user persona, did my user story. I forget my user story was, but it was like sort of as a prospective hiring person. I want to find a junior developer that is humble and wants to learn and wants to work hard. And why is that? Because so that I can build up my company, make a wise investment, and feel good at the end of the day. It's that sort of vibe, right? So we went along those sort of lines, and then created this sort of user persona of like what this person is. So my guy was, I think it was Joe Black or something, made up some name, and yeah, we went along those lines, and that worked really, really well. I've got to make a few different tweaks and that sort of thing, and I probably will before Monday, but we did that as well. We also did a bit more coding because that's what this is all about. It's about coding. So I was putting together sort of, I did wireframes and all those good things beforehand. But essentially, then we got down to the page itself, and we sort of have already sort of created a nav bar, created some in the logo bit, we put like sort of my name. We put like some menu items up there that sort of they highlight and those sort of things with the color purple. I used some of the knowledge which I'd gleaned from some of the course and sort of made a toggle dark mode for sort of accessibility options. I mean, I by no means know anything about that just yet. I'm still learning, still very far from the journey of knowing everything about that. But hey, it's there. It toggles it from sort of this white color to another color. So I'm very pleased with that. Was able to put in some JavaScript to add event listener to the button and get the cascading style sheets to work and that sort of thing. Was able to sort of put some text on the page and get my picture on there. So I feel very pleased with the progress we made today. So got my coding in, got my code on, I kept calm, and I coded on. So we did that as well today. So all in all, it's been a really good day, really productive. I mean, I only had like a couple hours today, so I did that today. Saturday is normally family day, so spend time with my kids, spend time with my wife, that sort of thing. So I don't have as much time as I normally do. But hey, you know what? It was a good day all in all. We got it all done and got it all sorted. And you know what? We kept going. We kept consistent, and that's what we keep doing. That's what we do here. That's what we do. We stay consistent, we keep calm, and we code on. So guys, until next time. Oh, but before that, how am I feeling? What are my thoughts? Thoughts and feelings today. I feel a bit tired. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. The babies were up late, so that's how it is. You don't get a lot of sleep when the babies are up, but nevertheless, it's how it is. My thoughts on the code. I still have a lot to learn. I have a lot to learn in CSS about sort of the display boxes, display flex and inline. And so it was just trial and error today, sort of just trying some things out, seeing how they work together in relationship, seeing what affects what's, and yeah, just learning how it all connects and how it all works together. And the only way you do that is just by doing, right? You only do it by doing. So my thoughts are, got a lot of good things done. I have a lot to be grateful for. Got a little page up. Got a lot of work done on sort of the different elements of UI UX. So I'm very thankful for that. Feelings, I feel like, you know what? There's a lot to learn, and I feel like I'm nowhere near there yet. But hey, I'm having a lot of fun, and we're having a blast. So we just keep having fun, and we keep enjoying the journey. Anyways, guys, until next time, keep calm, code on, and have a good Saturday. All the best, and Eurovision's tonight, so make sure to check it out. I believe it's Eurovision tonight. Let me just double check to make sure. Eurovision. I definitely know it's either tonight or tomorrow. Yep, There is some Eurovision night. So guys, make sure to watch your Eurovision. Vote for the UK. The UK never wins, but hey, we vote anyways. We're gonna be Azerbaijan or somebody like that. But whatever the case, guys, keep calm, code on, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.